Good morning. It's a Monday, very beginning of January 2023. So it's a new year, and I want to personally welcome you to this channel on YouTube, the Educator Aide Incorporated channel. I am the founder and CEO of Educator Aide Incorporated. And I'm really excited to be getting this channel off the ground and welcome you here. I wanted to start to put out some more content as we enter into the new year. I've also given my background. If you visit educatoraide.com, you can learn more about exactly what we do and how we actually partner with organizations and individuals. But most importantly, I'm doing one of my favorite things this morning, which is drinking coffee out of one of our Educator Aide mugs. But I thought, what better way to start talking about the workforce on this page and what we do here and the content that we want to put out for you all in 2023? What better way to do that than on a Monday? It is the second Monday of the new year, the second or third. And we know there's been so many trends, especially in the past decade, and in particular with my generation, the millennial generation. I specifically resigned from my last K-12 based role. I was a superintendent over 10 small high schools in the Midwest, and the majority of my career has been in education as well as educational training. So not only have I worked in large public school systems in the United States, I do have some extensive experience working not only on volunteering on the boards of nonprofits, but helping found nonprofits, and then have more and more in the past few years been taking on some more corporate clients. We are grateful for any work that we get to support with. Our team is expanding in 2023, but I wanted just to hop on really quick and introduce myself. You'll learn more about me as the show goes on. I am proudly a third culture kid though. And one of the things that I started to find, especially in resigning from my last role, another story for another day, and also has to do with maybe some workplace wellness things, as well as some other different playlists we're going to be curating with different professionals on this channel. But the main thing I want to go back to is I want to help people to understand how to better advocate for themselves, not only in the workplace, but in the rapidly changing and evolving world that we live in. So I referenced something, I'm proudly a third culture kid. What does that mean? Normally people are very shocked, and have been since I was born, that my father is Puerto Rican and my mother was Amish and Mennonite background as far as how she was raised culturally. Now, we know here at Educator Aide, culture is all about our norms, our beliefs, our values. My focus and passion in life has really been understanding miscommunication and cultural dysfunction. So you'll see that over time, with different credentials and trainings that I've acquired, as well as experiences, what I want to utilize this channel and this space for is to really give people really free access to high-level trainings, professional learning workshops, learning from experts. We have some incredible interviews, extended interviews that are featuring best-selling authors. We have an ex-pastor, we have a K-12 superintendent, we have the owner of a detergent company and an international brand. It's very important on our podcast, Cultural Capacity, which you can stream episodes here. It was very important for us to continue featuring voices from all different sectors. Why? I have this theory that so many of the issues I keep hearing about when I am consulting with organizations and are looking at the root causes of cultural dysfunction at some different places, we could alleviate so many of our issues if we had more effective techniques for communicating across cultures, as well as conflict resolution and knowing what really motivates the humans that we're serving alongside. So those are some of my passions you're hearing come out, as well as just a lifetime of lived experiences. I'm always going to continue to learn and grow and strive to become an efficient communicator. And that is what I'm passionate about teaching others to do. You'll see we have a multitude of services. Our website is in the process of being updated. We did just start to release some of our blog articles as well. So again, check out educatoraide.com as well for some free tools, but we will be releasing, you'll want to hit subscribe and get the notifications, because we will be releasing some really great free workshops. Our hope is that not only do individuals use these, but organizations and companies direct people to subscribe to this channel, because we want to focus on really diving into the threads of communications, specifically cross-cultural communications, leadership, and culture. So welcome to this official channel. I just wanted to hop on while I was having coffee and introduce myself and let you know we have a lot of more great content that is being uploaded as we speak and edited, as well as in production. So stay tuned. We can't wait to continue sharing. And I talk about this often as a former teacher and principal. I wish that I could have had more access to a variety of learning just through a free platform that literally only required me to hit subscribe, such as YouTube. So again, on this page, we're going to get into it, not only with me, but with other experts in this field, anything that has to do with belonging, workplace wellness, employee retention, employee engagement, staff morale, communications, culture, leadership. Those are massive umbrellas, but we plan to dive into specific topics and also based on the feedback you give. So please be sure to interact. Let us know what you do and don't like. Leave us some comments about, hey, how do I do this? Hey, could you do a model example of this type of difficult conversation and how to have it in the workplace? Those are the types of things I love to do. So leave me a comment, hit subscribe and get the notifications, and stay tuned because we're here to bring you a lot more high-level professional learning as well as personalized learning for your individual journey. Have a wonderful week and I will see you soon.